from Rwanda.
Nama saya Olivia dan saya berasal dari India.
Senang bisa bertemu dengan kamu di sini.
Nice to meet you in here.
Nice to meet you as well.
Saya juga senang bertemu dengan kamu.
Di sini saya akan bertanya tentang beberapa hal ke kamu.
So I want to give you some questions.
Answer.
Saya akan menjawabnya dengan senang hati.
Pertanyaan pertama, sudah berapa lama kamu berada di Solo?
How long have you been in Solo?
I came here in August 2024, so it's been like 4 months.
Jadi saya datang di sini sejak Agustus 2024, sekitar 4 bulan.
Kemudian apa yang kamu lakukan saat di sini? Apakah kamu bekerja atau sedang berlibur?
So, what are you doing in here? Are you working or holiday or something else?
Actually, I'm here for my studies. I'm a student, first year chemical engineering student. So we actually taking chemia 2024. Mahasiswa.
Jadi saya di sini untuk melanjutkan studi saya di Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta dan saya mengambil jurusan teknik kimia.
Kemudian apa alasan Anda memilih UMS untuk studi Anda?
So, what was your reason to choosing UMS for your study?
UMS for my studies. I searched on Google for full scholarships in Indonesia. Then this international scholarship here at the University of Muhammadiyah Surakarta popped up on Google. Then I went on there, I read for details. It was actually a good scholarship, and then I applied. I ended up being lucky.
Jadi saya di sini memilih UMS karena beasiswa yang saya temukan di Google. Jadi saya cari informasi mengenai hal tersebut dan akhirnya saya beruntung karena bisa diterima di UMS.
Apa kesan pertama kamu terhadap UMS?
So, what's your first impression of UMS?
UMS, I would say UMS is a good university with good environment, good students, and they drive a lot of motorcycles.
Jadi kesan pertama saya di sini UMS adalah kampus yang bagus dengan lingkungannya yang menyenangkan dan orang-orang yang ramah, serta di sini banyak orang yang menggunakan sepeda motor.
Oke, pertanyaan terakhir, pernahkah Anda mencoba makanan tradisional Solo dan apa pendapat Anda tentang makanan khas?
So for the last question, have you tried traditional Solo food and what do you think about Solo food?
Makanan,
Yeah.
makanan, it's good because here in Solo, I don't know if it's Indonesia in general, they eat chili, too much chili, and I like chili. So like every food is like have chili, and I like it. The one food I like is soto. Soto is good.
Saya suka beberapa makanan di sini karena beberapa makanan di sini menggunakan cabai ya sebagai bahan tambahan makanan, dan saya pribadi menyukai makanan yang pedas dan makanan favorit saya adalah soto.
Oke, itu saja. Terima kasih sudah meluangkan waktu.
So that's it. Thanks for your kindness for us. And
Thank you.
nama saya Latifah.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Latifah.
Good afternoon. My name is Olivier Michel.
Selamat siang, nama saya Olivia.
Saya ingin mengajukan beberapa pertanyaan kepada
you of some things?
Yeah, sure. That's good.
Ya, silakan. Kamu bisa bertanya beberapa hal kepada saya.
Apa yang membuat kamu berada di Solo?
What brought you to Solo?
You mean like what brought me to Indonesia? I can answer that. Actually, when I was applying for universities last year, I applied to study in France, then I applied to study in Indonesia, then I was unlucky to get scholarship in France, so I ended up studying here in Surakarta University. It's a good university.
Apa yang membuat saya berada di Surakarta ini, di Solo ini? Tadinya saya apply beasiswa di Rusia, France. Tapi sayangnya tidak masuk, tidak dapat. Kemudian mencoba apply di Indonesia di Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta ini dan berhasil masuk.
Lalu, apakah kamu tahu beberapa tempat makan yang enak di Solo?
And then, do you know any good places to eat here?
This is great. I can say I know one place where I go every day. It's called Nasi Goreng Arjuna. He's a big guy who nasi goreng. I like it.
Jadi ada satu tempat saya suka makan di sini, namanya Nasi Goreng Arjuna. Di situ ada mas-mas yang badannya besar yang suka masak di sana.
Bagaimana cuaca di Solo menurut kamu?
How's the weather in Solo for you?
Weather. First time when I arrived in Indonesia, it was hot. First time. But December, it started raining every day. So the weather, first it's hot compared to my country. Nowadays it's raining.
Jadi untuk pertama kali pas saya datang ke sini itu cuacanya panas banget. Tapi semenjak Desember ini berubah jadi hujan terus setiap hari. Tapi untuk yang pertama kali datang itu dibandingkan dengan negara saya sendiri, itu tuh kayak lebih panas di Indonesia ini, di Solo ini. Tapi sekarang udah nggak lagi karena sekarang udah memasuki musim hujan.
Biasanya kamu jalan kaki atau naik beberapa transportasi di sini?
Do you usually walk around or take transport here?
I use transport, but I use mobile Gojek and Maxim. Maxim, you know Maxim? Yeah. So when I go to school in the morning, I order Maxim or Gojek, and then when I come, I walk.
Jadi biasanya kalau di sekitaran sini jalan kaki. Cuman untuk ke kampus, untuk pergi ke sekolah ini biasanya saya mesen lewat Gojek atau Maxim. Jadi nanti kalau udah turun dari Gojek baru biasanya jalan kaki.
Selama kamu berada di sini, apa kamu sudah punya teman dekat atau sahabat?
Have you met any local friends in here?
Yeah, I have friends, many friends, because everywhere I go, some people want to take pictures, and some even small children when they see me they run. But where I go to gym, I have some friends there. I have friends at the campus. I've met like many friends. It's good.
Ada di sini saya punya beberapa teman, banyak malah. Justru kayak di kampus, di gym juga punya. Terus kadang kalau misalkan lagi jalan suka ada beberapa orang yang minta foto buat bareng gitu. Keren pokoknya.
Mungkin itu saja pertanyaan dari saya. Terima kasih atas waktunya sudah mendengarkan dan semoga kamu punya pengalaman baik selama berada di sini.
So that's it. Thanks for taking your time to talking with us. May you have a good experience and time in here.
Thank you very much. Actually, I appreciate. It wasn't even long, and I'm always here to help.
Terima kasih, saya begitu mengapresiasi ini.
Terima kasih.
Halo, selamat siang. Nama saya Latifah. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Latifah.
Good afternoon. My name is Olivier Kisha from Rwanda.
Selamat siang, nama saya Olivia Farwanda. Saya akan mengajukan beberapa pertanyaan untuk kamu. I have several questions for you.
Yeah. Some questions.
Ya, saya akan menjawab dari sini. Jadi, apa kesan pertama kamu ketika berada di Solo? What's your first impression about Solo?
First impression. Actually, my country compared to my country, we don't drive motorcycles. So here, everyone like to drive motorcycles. They don't like to drive cars. Like to drive motorcycles. That was my first impression. My last thing is good people. They are friendly. Yeah, they like to laugh with people. Yeah, they are good people.
Jika dibandingkan dengan negara saya, di sini orang-orang menggunakan motor, sedangkan di negara saya lebih suka memakai mobil. Dan saya juga suka di Solo karena orang-orangnya ramah. Kampus di Solo. Next question is, what motivated you to choose university in Surakarta?
Actually, what drove me to study here at this university, they have international program where they teach in English. So to get that opportunity, it's hard to get those opportunities in other countries. So I was surprised and I was like, I have to go to study in English.
Sebenarnya saya datang ke sini karena ada program internasional dan reguler. Lalu saya terkejut dan saya apresiasi untuk daftar di sini. Lalu apa ada tantangan yang kamu hadapi selama berada di Solo? What challenge you have faced while living in Solo?
Challenge, I'd say language barrier because many people here don't speak English, they use Bahasa. So first time I struggled to buy something and ask for the price, and then it was hard at first, language. But nowadays I'm starting to get to know Bahasa a little. Maybe next year I'll be like speaking Bahasa.
Kesulitan saya di sini karena bahasanya. Karena di Solo kan menggunakan bahasa Indonesia dan bahasa Jawa. Jadi saya kesulitan dan sedikit demi sedikit saya belajar tentang itu agar bisa memahami. Nah, perasaan kamu mengenai masyarakat yang ada di sini? How do you feel about the people in here?
Actually, the people here are friendly. They like to help. Whenever I walk down the street, people are like happy to see me. They want to greet me, take pictures, and I'd say like it's a good trait. People must have. People around the continent must have. People here are friendly. And again, they work hard. They wake up in the morning to sell market street. Yeah, it's good.
Orang-orang di sini menurut saya ramah. Mereka juga sering meminta berfoto bersama saya saat saya berjalan. Lalu mereka juga suka bangun pagi untuk sarapan dan menurut saya itu sangat bagus. Ya, untuk pertanyaan terakhir, apakah kamu belajar mengenai budaya Indonesia ataupun Jawa selama di sini? Do you learn about Indonesia or Japanese culture?
I haven't I haven't started getting to know Japanese culture. Right now I'm studying Bahasa Indonesia on my own, of course, so as for be able to communicate. For Japanese culture, I've read some books what is Japanese culture, how do people live. I'd say it's a great story to learn about it, to know it, because actually I'm here for 5 years. I have to know everything about Indonesia, Japan, culture.
Sebenarnya di kampus saya tidak ada pelajaran tentang Jawa atau Indonesia. Namun saya belajar sendiri tentang kultur Indonesia atau Jawa. Karena saya ingin mengerti semuanya tentang di sini. Jadi saya belajar sedikit demi sedikit untuk bisa memahami kultur mereka.